Hey there, crafty friends. Are you tired of struggling with your sewing machine? I know I was. But then I discovered industrial single needle sewing. And let me tell you, it's been a game changer. First off, this thing is a beast. It's got the fully rotating Veal spindle shuttle head, which sounds like some fancy engineering stuff, but trust me, it's super simple. This shuttle head is designed to provide optimal performance, meaning your stitches are going to be smooth and consistent. But what does that really mean? Well, think of it like this. When you're sewing, you want your stitches to be even and not too tight or too loose. That's exactly what this shuttle head delivers. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but wait, isn't a rotating shuttle head just going to make my machine harder to use? Not at all. The balanced linkage system ensures smooth operation, which means it's actually easier to maneuver and control. It's like having a super smart sewing machine that knows exactly what you need. Another feature I love is the bottom feed sewing machine. This thing is a workhorse. It's designed for creating even and beautiful seams, which means your projects are going to look professional in no time. But here's the best part. It's got an adjustable seam allowance feature, so you can customize it to fit whatever project you're working on. No more wrestling with awkward seams or having to rip things apart because they didn't turn out right. And then there's the adhesive for shoes. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. What does a shoe adhesive have to do with sewing? But hear me out. This stuff is like liquid gold for crafty people. It's perfect for repairing and enhancing shoes, hats, wigs, and all sorts of other fun projects. The formula is strong and flexible, so it's great for bonding different materials together. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about when I'm sewing really thick fabrics? That's where the Veal thread presser foot comes in. This thing is a lifesaver. It allows for smooth rotation during use, which means your seams are going to stay stable even on chunky fabrics. It's like having an extra pair of hands to help you out. And finally, there's the advanced sewing machine itself. It's got a rotating horizontal hook for smooth thread delivery and a balanced link mechanism for stable stitching quality. This thing is like a dream come true. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this machine has everything you need to create beautiful projects with ease. Last but not least, I've got to mention the DIY combing electric needle gauge. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what's the point of an electric needle gauge? Well, let me tell you, it's a total game changer. With its 400W motor and compact design, this thing makes precision sewing easy peasy. And the best part? It's got a puller feed mechanism that ensures smooth operation. So, what do I think of industrial single needle sewing? I'm blown away. This product has taken my sewing game to the next level, and I know it can do the same for you. If you're tired of struggling with your machine or just want to create beautiful projects with ease, then this is the product for you. Trust me, you won't regret it. Check out the link below to get your hands on industrial single needle sewing and start sewing like a pro today.